60-year-old spends their birthday?
This is my inspiring client, Catherine Grace O'Connell. She's turning 60, and to celebrate, we're doing a nude photo shoot on location with famed photographer Kev Steele. Catherine started the Forever Fierce revolution and redefined the way we look at midlife. So it's no surprise that she's celebrating in a big way for this 60th birthday. I'm going to show you all the makeup looks we created and just give you a little taste of how Catherine experiences what she calls the magnificent middle of life. Here we are at St. John's Studio in Austin, Texas. We're starting out the morning with the Clarisonic Opal. This is similar to the under eye massage you would get if you were getting a great facial. It's lymphatic drainage, time for a minute on each eye. Now I'm going to do the NuFace Microcurrent, and that blue stuff is the conducting gel that conducts the current. So this is like a workout for the face. Catherine has been doing workouts with celebrity trainer Casey Duke, so she's been getting ready and training her body for this photo shoot. And I'm doing just a tiny workout for the face. So you will feel it. It feels like a bunch of tingles on the skin, and you'll feel the muscle contracting. So it tightens the facial muscles and helps them look more sculpted and more contoured. I'm filling in the brows lightly with the Kosas Brow Pop Pencil in Taupe. And our hairstylist, Sean, is getting busy with the extensions for her hair. Next up is curling the lashes, which is a must. For every time you do your makeup, curl your lashes and really get in there and squeeze. You're not going to rip your lashes out. You're not going to cut them off. You've got to curl your lashes. After that, we're going to do a lip plumper by Soap and Glory. So the Soap and Glory, you don't feel much when you put it on, but 2 minutes later and your lips feel like, whoa, they're double the size. Then I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm using Strivectin's upper and lower lid primer, which gives me a silky smooth place to put the eyeshadow. For foundation, I'm using Armani Luminous Silk, which just looks like skin. It always helps to work with people that you have fun with. So I just have it on a wet beauty blender, and I'm putting it under the eyes too. Then I'm going in with a translucent powder. This just helps the eye makeup not to smudge. So you want to put just a tiny bit, something super sheer, on the lid and right underneath the lower lashes. Now I'm going in for the cheeks. Thank you, Trinny London, for sending us your lip to cheek in Phoebe. This is such a great sheer, kind of subdued red that I'm going to blend in. I'm using Trinny London Eye to Eye in Victory, which is this really rich gold on Kath's eyes. And this one I'm smoothing on with a brush, and then I just blend it in with the heat of my fingers. It stayed put. It was so nourishing for the eyes. I really like this product. So thank you, Catherine, for bringing it. This is Susan Posnick's Color Correct Brightening Concealer in the medium shade. I'm going to use this anywhere that I need a little bit of concealer, which on Kath is not many places. So I'm putting it on top the upper lip to kind of give that area a brightened look and give it just a little bit more of a plump look. It's going to help the lip liner stay in place as well too. So the lip liner I'm using is Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude, which is an absolute favorite of mine. It works well with any shade of lipstick, and it's great by itself too. You guys notice I'm curling the lashes again. Obsessed with curling the lashes. So get those lashes to show up to the party. And now I'm going in with Stila Magnum XXX mascara. It's very voluminous. This is a rich black, and you almost don't need fake eyelashes with it. It's so good. But, you know, we're still going to add them later on. So 2 coats of this and you should be set. I love how cool and calm Kath is despite everything going on around her. I like to use a Kleenex below the lower lashes to make sure there are no smudges and give me a nice place to work from. Now I'm going in with the second coat of the Stila Magnum mascara. This is Susan Posnick's Double Duty Lip Gloss in Cotton Candy, which we loved. I can't really see it on camera, but there are these tiny little bits of shimmer in there that give it like a warm copper glow. There's some coral, there's some pink. It's just a really nice multifaceted color. We're almost ready to go. Next up, we're gonna do a body makeup touch-up, and for that, we're using Vita Liberata Body Blur. This is the best body makeup that I've found. Dermablend's great if you want coverage, but this one is more of a medium coverage that just stays put. Catherine is so fun, so at ease. I can tell you there are women decades younger than her that don't have the confidence that she does. It's a treat. Happy 60th birthday, Catherine. Now we put all that makeup on, and you know what? It's time for Catherine to just be at her most natural, at her most at ease with her guard down, which she was for this entire shoot. It was a great joy to see. I get a lot of questions about adding individual lashes. So you can see I'm using the Duo Clear Glue, which is white at first and then it dries clear. I'm looking for a gap in the natural lash line and just drop the lash there. And then I always add mascara afterward to kind of lock them in place. Here we added a red lip for the red tie look. Catherine is so fun to work with. She kept it easygoing and lighthearted, even when rain was threatening for our outdoor location the next morning.
Day 2. Good morning!
Conditions are a bit more challenging today than yesterday. Oh, it's beautiful out. What are you talking
about? Leave me a comment and let me know what's one of the wildest things you've ever done to celebrate your birthday. I hope you've enjoyed. And I hope you have a different perspective on those big milestone birthdays and how we can experience them. See you soon.